Now we will learn how to add training activity. Click on username, click on dashboard, click on add training activity. Training activity form will appear. Click on training type, click on state, add from date, add to date, add venue, add phase number, and click submit. Record added successfully. Like this, you can add training activity. To view training activity, click on Home tab, click on Training Activities, click on SRG. Here you can view your training activities. Like this, you can add and view training activities. Thank you.